Actually, you guys very well know about ChatGPT. It's a AI chatbot, but I found one important thing that ChatGPT can't do. Let's see. Now I type, show me the search volume and difficult of ranking for how to open account on ChatGPT. Search. Yeah, that's the thing. It can't provide results because it doesn't have access for website or even internet. But search engines like Google, Yahoo can have this. And ChatGPT only works on already loaded data. And they just keep updating information. That's it. So I think website owners, bloggers, we don't need to worry much. ChatGPT is an intelligent chatbot. That's it. We are sixth sense humans. Yeah, that's the thing I want to tell you. And I hope this video helps you. If yes, subscribe, then share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.